AYN Technologies has taken the wraps off their latest creation, the Odin 2 gaming handheld, revealing not only its much-anticipated release date, but also an impressive array of specifications that are sure to excite gaming enthusiasts. A worthy successor to its predecessor, the Snapdragon 845-powered Odin, the Odin 2 takes a giant leap forward with its cutting-edge features and performance enhancements, spearheaded by the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. One of the standout features of the Odin 2 is its unrelenting commitment to providing a seamless gaming experience. AYN Technologies hasn't skimped on memory and storage, equipping the Odin 2 with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 flash storage. This combination ensures lightning-fast data access and multitasking capabilities, allowing gamers to dive into their favorite titles without a hint of lag. When it comes to visuals, the Odin 2 certainly doesn't disappoint. Boasting a 6-inch IPS display with a crystal-clear 1080p resolution, the handheld device is primed to deliver visuals that burst with vibrant colors and intricate details. This high-resolution display sets the stage for an immersive gaming journey, pulling players into the heart of their virtual worlds. AYN Technologies recognizes the importance of connectivity in modern gaming, and the Odin 2 is well prepared to accommodate this aspect. The handheld comes equipped with both Micro HDMI and USB 3.1 Type-C ports, allowing gamers to effortlessly link up with external displays and a variety of accessories. This seamless connectivity enhances the versatility of the device, enabling users to switch between different gaming setups with ease. The Odin 2 isn't just about powerful internals, it also boasts a thoughtful appearance that strikes a harmonious balance between portability and functionality. With dimensions measuring 225 by 98 by 17 mm and weighing in at a manageable 420 grams, the Odin 2 is developed to be comfortable for extended gaming sessions while remaining conveniently portable. To ensure that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, coupled with its Adreno 740i GPU, can operate optimally without the specter of overheating, the Odin 2 incorporates an active cooling solution. This ensures that even during intense gaming sessions, the device remains responsive and smooth, maintaining a high level of performance without compromising on user comfort. The Odin 2 will make its debut with a starting price of just $299, a figure that is sure to raise eyebrows and generate excitement among gaming enthusiasts. This attractive pricing not only makes the Odin 2 an attractive option for those looking to step into the world of portable gaming, but also highlights AYN Technologies' commitment to providing cutting-edge technology, without the prohibitive costs that can often accompany such advancements. As the early bird period passes, the Odin 2's price will modestly adjust, settling at a still impressive $339. This slight increase beyond the initial launch phase showcases AYN Technologies' intention to reward those who join the gaming revolution early, while ensuring that the Odin 2 remains within reach for a broader audience. AYN Technologies has also meticulously considered the aesthetics of the Odin 2. The base model, available in classic black, boasts 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. This minimalist yet striking appearance is intended to complement the Odin 2's powerful internals, while ensuring that the device is a statement piece in its own right. With the launch date set for August 22 at 12 o'clock UTC on Indiegogo, AYN Technologies has created a palpable sense of anticipation within the gaming community. As the Odin 2 prepares to take its place in the hands of gamers around the world, its pricing strategy and impressive lineup of variants promise to make it a compelling contender in the ever-evolving landscape of gaming handhelds. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and informative. Have a nice day and God bless you.